Okay guys, this is the new 2020 Road Glide Limited. So in the year past here we had the Road Glide Ultra. The big difference is you're going to get all the features of the Limited. So you're looking at heated grips, inner painted fairing, and it comes with a luggage rack. Now this one is in a beautiful color. It is Billiard red and vivid black. Check her out. Now the Road Glide fairing is stationary. I consider this the Cadillac of the Harley Davidsons. The big thing is, if you're looking for something to buff the wind off of you, this is the one you want. It does come with a new Milwaukee 8 114, blacked out motor, blacked out pipes, and you've got your tour pack. But if you're looking to check out this new color in 2020, here she is. Now my name's Chris. I'm a fit specialist down here at the Harley Davidson of Asheville. Phone number here is 828-581-2000. Ask for me, come on down here, we'll go for a ride, guys. Thanks.